Another milestone achieved at Radhey Group. At C Block B Block, the second transverse slab concrete pour has been successfully completed for 4 premium flats. Spanning an impressive 10,000 square feet, this critical slab represents the strength and precision behind every home we build. With 700 cubic meters of concrete, 160 metric tons of steel, and a dedicated team working continuously for 28 hours, every detail was executed with engineering excellence. At Radhey Group, we don't just construct buildings. We create landmarks built on quality, commitment, and trust. Radhey Group, building excellence, delivering dreams.